It was close, Stan. It was close, but you pulled it out at the end. I got it all on video.
I think you beat him off the light.
At first I thought you were racing Joe, you know.
Oh, yeah.
Well, it's the first time I see you in the slowest car on the track. Usually you have the fastest one.
And it isn't much fun, but it's still fun.
Yeah, it is. Well, show how to do
like
it.
growing gears in a car.
Finals, huh?
Yeah.
What do you think?
I think it's cool. I think I'll win.
Your video is being loaded now, so all your friends who are subscribed to my channel will see that.
What trans is in that?
That was, I'm glad to see you. But man, you some what kind of reaction time on the last? Did you see?
I read that.
No, you didn't.
I thought, well, I didn't see it, but according to that,
What?
I did.
What?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, he said I went in.
I know. I thought I was wondering if you read lit, but I didn't see it on the 3.
Well, I didn't either.
Well, they don't do it because it's a buy run. They don't show it.
Oh.
Yeah, he automatically wins.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter.
Yeah. Well, I'm glad to see you stay
red
there.
light or no red light?
Yeah, it doesn't matter.
Yeah,
Buy
yeah.
run, it don't matter.
I didn't realize it.
I like that.
They automatically give you the win light.
Yeah.
So as long as you can stage the car and leave, you get the win.
So you need to go. That 55 is quick.
I know.
That 55 is quick.
This car is quicker.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Stands on the.
Hey,
the
turn
stands
that
on 3.
fucking knob, man.
Yeah, turn the quick knob,
Turn
right?
that fucking knob
The
up.
boost. You got a boost.
God damn it.
You got it, Stan. We're gonna build
Last
up
time we
coming.
raced, he gained 3/10 of one pass.
I know.
I went, huh? That's a lot, Stan.
He's running good.
How the
Best
fuck
I've ever
did
seen
you
him
get
run.
3/10?
Huh?
Huh?
It goes up and dark.
No, nothing.
Well, okay, good. You need water or anything, Stan, or you can stay right here and wait for your turn?
Yeah, I didn't know if they were going to do it right away. Or
I thought they were going to hot lap him, but I guess
Yeah,
not.
that's what I
It didn't matter.
That sounds healthy. So you need a water stand? Okay. Okay. Well, we'll get your winning video. Hopefully it's. If you want, I'll go up to the line and I'll kick his staging lights over a little,
Yeah.
so that he deep stages and red lights.
No, I'm good. Whatever he
No,
does,
you psych him out though, Stan. You guys psych him out. Do a dry hop before you stage. Psych him out.
He needed fuel.
You needed fuel?
He needed fuel.
Oh.
Fuel, yeah.
Yeah. But
Okay.
I looked because I had some left. And I offered it, but then I looked in there and it was a lot lower than I thought. So I went ahead and dumped it.
So you're okay now?
Oh yeah.
Battery's
He
good?
doesn't have enough gas?
Who?
He doesn't have enough gas?
I guess not.
Oh,
Who he does now, probably.
Or he had to go buy some?
That's what it sounded like.
What's up? How was the Labor Day cruise?
Well, we didn't have one this last time.
You didn't have one?
The promoter quit,
Oh.
which was a sad thing, and then the year before that was COVID.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's one of the better shows.
Yeah.
There'll be no more.
The pandemic is killing us.
Oh, wow. Yeah.
I'm not too happy about that.
Now we have just the world.
I mean, look at this. Look at the return of people here because they can't afford the gas and fuel to get here.
You got to put stuff there.
The whole world economy is all fucked up.
They're resetting it, they said. That's what they said.
Oh, is that what they're calling it now?
The reset. Right, Lex?
What?
The reset? What the Trump or what the Biden administration, everyone, why do they always hire the worst people possible for the position? I think they go out of the way to piss us off so it draws attention to the other shit they're doing. I know that's what it is. Okay, Stan has no idea, we'll go ask. We'll find out, Stan, when they get to run. He's gonna run the finals on his car. Is this the guy working the line right here with a beard?
One of them, I hope.
Yeah. What's the word on gassers time? I know what.
that's half of the final.
Yeah, that's
right there.
that's the right stand. Okay, but we don't know what time.
Well, it's whenever the other car shows
Oh,
up.
oh, okay,
Yeah.
okay. I'll let him know.
Just whenever he shows up,
Yeah.
we'll run it.
Yeah. So it's whenever he shows up.
Yeah,
So we'll wait, and we'll just get over there and wait for you.
yeah.
What lane you want?
How long does
You get lane choice. He'll get lane choice.
it doesn't matter to me.
Okay. What's the lane you're gonna take? So we know where to.
Go ahead.
What lane do you want?
It doesn't matter.
Wherever he rolls in, huh?
Well, we're just trying to get a good shot. I'll be able to get a good shot. I'll get you. I'll get some content. I'll make your internet star before the end of the day. I know that Asian guy moved someplace.
Let's go see where his, how long before his guy comes.
Yeah, let's go look for him. We're gonna go check out your competition, see where we're at.
That thing's that Pro Street, isn't it?
Yeah, no, it's like Old Post Street, maybe. What is it?
He gotta look like he got all the new shit, doesn't he?
That was a beautiful car. Are you kidding me? One of the nicest 55s around. Vic is going to run again.
Loading it up.
Loading up.
I would imagine.
Yeah. Where are they? Oh, here's the pit. He's in the pit someplace. They said he wants to get some race gas. That's not him. I don't see him. I don't see him. I don't see him. I don't want to miss the race. He's over here someplace. I hope he didn't ride someplace to get race gas. Nice truck. We're looking for Stan's competition. We're looking for his competition. If he don't show up, Stan wins. There he is. Whose car is this? Whose is this? Whose is it? Yours?
Yeah.
What are you waiting for?
What's that?
Are you waiting for something?
Am I waiting?
Yeah,
Well,
well,
they
wait.
just said when you get back up there,
Yeah,
we'll have the final
we're gonna
round.
run.
Someone told me I enough time to cool it down, but it's about ready.
Oh,
Yeah, okay.
well,
The Stan's up there now.
Okay.
Okay.
About 2 more
anytime.
minutes, I'll be ready.
No
to
hurry.
Cool down.
Okay. Okay. Take your
I have all
time.
my stuff fans going right now.
You can go. You can go ahead and click your winnings now. So you're wasting Stan. wait.
Don't let the old guy sleep on you.
As soon as I fucking get this one, I did 1-2 burnout. He normally reminds me one gives me
Yeah, it is.
and I have enough shit up. I might not be able to hold it.
Stan is your competition for the finals. It's a big block, small block. Man alive. Man. Little field. No, that's a 671.
I know car guy myself, you're a car guy. Didn't ever finish.
Yeah, they set that motor back in the firewall. Got the firewall out.
Yeah.
I got a 48 myself. Not even lying. And then, yeah.
I don't see a brake
Yeah. And where-
unless he holds it.
Or from Tucson. And then tell me about your car.
I don't see a brake. Trans brake. I don't see a trans brake.
No, he's got one.
I don't wear.
Could be anywhere.
Yeah, exactly.
Hey, Dennis, you got a brake on this?
Trans brake?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Where are you hiding it?
What's that?
Where you hide the button?
Oh, it's down the road by the shifter down there at Long one. That long thing?
I don't see it.
It's out. Is that big long black one? Down.
Oh,
It's
yeah,
covered
yeah.
right now.
Yeah.
It's just right there. There it is.
Okay.
That's it.
A hell of a launch. I did a lot of videos for you.
Yeah, cool.
It's on my channel is Randy's 57 Chevy. You know who I am?
What, you got black and white Chevy?
Right.
I know which one you are. I've seen
Oh.
that before. Watch the video.
Oh, great. Thank you, buddy. I appreciate it.
Yeah.
Subscribe. We're trying to get her back on the road. We blew the engine in.
really?
But yeah, I love this car. It's great. I wish I was here.
Yeah, that stinks, you know. The engines, it's kind of, seems like right now it takes a long time to get the parts.
Waiting for pistons now.
It takes a long time.
Okay, Dennis. We'll be on there. We'll wait for you. I don't know, is that famous, Lex? I don't know, is that famous? Nice 57. Good luck, Dennis. Let's go, Brandon. Yeah, let's go, Brandon. There you go. Still good. And we're back to Stan. There it goes. Clean on 55.
Little woman driving around all day.
Yeah. I mean, that would be, it'd be nice if they had a little cruise around there.
I wonder what that old boy did that with the John there. The old boy had all the information coming out the Opal guy with all
Yeah.
what he did for a living. Wasn't saying a raffle.
Yeah.
I think 57s would, sorry. 57s or 55s. The number of cars.
Where's Stan? Junior?
Stan's
Where?
55.
Stan, where are you?
He's in the shade over there.
There he comes, Stan. He's coming. He's coming. He was cooling his engine down.
Oh.
We got him all excited, man. We told him you were related to John Force, and that you were dead on the lights.
You got a 004 last time out.
Yep. Did you see his lights? It was a red
light.
Here it comes. Here he comes. Go ahead. Go. That's what they say. You start as soon as he gets here. Dennis is a good old boy. You'll like him. Here you are, the finals. The final two.